Hello. I found out something. When I did that stream on Friday with the desktop audio, like this is a how-to video. Because one thing I figured out is before, with the desktop audio, it didn't actually match. But now I understand the reason why. It was because I had this set on for some weird reason. Which I didn't realize before. And if you have that turned off, then your audio would match perfectly with the stuff. Like, the mic audio worked fine, but the desktop audio didn't match. So, that's what I found out. And if you want to do something on your own, like, I could just show you the video. Like, I did a video earlier showing with that. This going with the game. I'm just gonna move that over.
I know that song.
Everyone knows that song.
Like,
Who are you?
as you can see here, the audio doesn't actually match at all with it. So, if you want to do that, just go to desktop audio, properties, then turn off use device timestamps. And if you want to be an idiot like me, literally do that for a stream, go right ahead. I'm joking about that. But that's a fix that I found out for it, which I think is actually funny how stupid I was with it. So, hope you guys enjoyed, and hopefully this would help you if your audio is not synced. Bye.